Don't have to chew it.
So, sorry, a marsh tit. This is marsh tit. It's almost identical to willow tit, which we probably haven't got left in Sussex. So they will have a good go at you if they can.
Oh yes, blue tits will cause a lot of pain to ringers. Almost as much as great spotted woodpeckers.
Very nice. Beautiful thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's like a wren, isn't it? Getting on for that size. Is that?
Wren's a lot smaller.
A lot smaller.
What's this in weight? Marsh tit.
11.3.
11.3. So yeah, it's not. Wren's about 10 grams.
Mm.
The smallest bird in Britain, Goldcrest, is only 5.
Wow.
Really small. Wren's quite a chunky bird. It's very short. But... Okay.
Yeah.
So I've got the birds that have already been caught from a previous session.
What are your names?
I'm David King.
I'll do something with this footage.
Already been in. The reed trap that was caught earlier today. Before you go, I'll give you a leaflet to tell you a bit about ringers.
Thank you. So you're quite good at sort of multitasking with your hands, aren't you? And
yeah. So this is an adult bird. It's got blue feathers all the way through the main flight feathers. In blue tit, it's quite obvious it'll have a green patch in the wing.
Right.
And really. Yeah, of course. You've got problems. Right, so I forgot that, didn't I? Sorry. Let go of me. Let go of me. They really are very, very handsome birds.
A bit dazed.
Yeah. If you handle them confidently and safely, they don't sort of overly get stressed and flap around a lot.
Yeah.
As soon as you start releasing its grip, it's going to sort of, I can sense freedom and start struggling. This is what we call a 6. You can't sex these, but it's a very colourful bird. This, I'd imagine, it's going to be a female, a male, and it's got a reasonable nature as well. Male blue tits have longer wings than females.